How did our Sun come into existence? It all started 4.5 billion years ago in the Milky Way galaxy's Orion spur. When waves of energy traveling through the space pressed together the clouds of gas and dust called the solar nebula. These clouds mainly consisted of the gases like hydrogen and helium, but some of it was made up of remaining remnants of dead stars. Then as the nebula collapsed because of its gravity, most of the material was pulled towards the center. As it began to spin faster, causing the cloud to flatten into a disk and in center of this disk formation. The material continues to clump together as the matter condensed into a burning ball of gas to form a protostar. Then over the next 10 millions of years, the temperature and pressure of the